We are now going to learn how to do a tendu to the side. Here's what it will look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When doing a tendu to the side, it is important to remember and apply everything we learned from our tendu to the front. Ready to learn it? Let's go! We will start by standing in first position and lightly touching the bar. Now that you are in first, remember our proper alignment. Once you are standing up tall, slide your right foot out on the floor, keeping both feet turned out. Continue to slide your foot out, and once your heel has to come off the floor, we roll through our foot, pushing against the ball of our foot, and then to the tips of our toes. When we reach our tendu position, we should be standing tall and pointing our toes as hard as possible. We do the same process in reverse to bring our leg back to first. We release our toes, and the ball of your foot touches the floor and glides back in. Remember, when we do a tendu, our weight remains on our supporting leg. Let's try a few tendus together. Stand in first with proper alignment. We will start with our right foot. Ready? Tendu out, tendu in. Again, tendu out, tendu in. One more time. Tendu out, tendu in. Good. Are you keeping your weight on your supporting leg? Remember to not let your foot sickle. We can also do tendu with our left foot. We do the same thing we learned with our right foot. Once you are standing up tall, slide your left foot out on the floor, keeping both feet turned out. Continue to slide your foot out, and once your heel has to come off the floor, we roll through our foot, pushing against the ball of our foot, and then to the tips of our toes. Let's try it with our left foot 3 times. Ready? Tendu out, tendu in. Tendu out, tendu in. Tendu out, tendu in. Great job! This combination will be done in a count of 8, just like we learned in our tendu to the front. 2 counts out, 2 counts in, 2 counts out, 2 counts in. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Remember that our foot should be straight and not sickled. This means that our toes should be pointed straight down. Let's do 2 counts of 8 in a row. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are doing awesome. You now know how to do a tendu in first, to the front, and to the side. In the next video, you will learn how to do a tendu to the back. But don't move on until ready. Practice makes perfect. Good luck!